I really need to do something with these bangs. They're very heavy on this side and they're starting to bend and become a little flat. So I'm going to cut them in a different way than usual today. First, I'm going to pin up most of it and then straighten out just a little bit so that way it's all even. And use scissors to make a very soft line. So instead of cutting straight across, I'm just sort of cutting upwards just a little bit so they're a little bit shorter and clear my actual eyes. One thing that I'm doing differently is I'm going to try to cut them only in the middle, like 80% of my hair, and leave the two ends, the far right, the far left, at the original length that I had them before cutting, and kind of gently curve them over at the very ends. Now I'm going to go for the middle third, and I'm dividing my bangs into 3 because they are so thick. So I want to get each layer individually and make a very soft transition between them. So right now I'm just starting by shortening them a little bit so they kind of match the layer underneath. And here is that top third. I'm going to try to spread this out left and right. So some of those longer hairs are going to stay in there, but they're going to be on the extreme sides, and just cut the ones that are in the middle. Now I'm going to take these very small vertical sections and snip off the top part where the top hairs are. This is a step I don't normally take because I normally thin them out in a different way, but I'm hoping this will give them a nice shape that they'll automatically be a little rounded and less flat. And there we have it. Before and after.